Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin. We're gonna see what happened and what it might happen next. So basically for Bitcoin today, we mentioned of course that this testing area is required to be hit, and here we are. We're pushing here impulsively toward the upside. I'm looking for the 1.618 here. Because of course I'm looking at this potential W and an X here and then a wave Y, A, B, and a C expanding flat to be unfolding, and obviously it might be here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now if something will break it, if it's gonna break for higher, then okay, something else is unfolding here, and definitely might be of course an impulse unfolding toward the upside. Therefore I have no other way than to count this, of course, a 1, 2, 3, wave 4, wave 5 as the diagonal, wave A, and then wave B, and we're looking at 1, 2, 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the upside, meaning a push here as a zigzag ABC, right? Diagonal for wave A, wave B, wave C towards the upside as a zigzag. Why as a zigzag? Because of course we started already a wave 1 as a zigzag here. We got a wave 2, and we might get a wave 3 inside this blue box, followed by a wave 4 and then wave 5 to finish a potential wave C here in an ending diagonal, having an A, B, and a C here, and then of course continuing toward the downside in the daily scenarios for the bearish, in case this is gonna happen. In case something else is going to unfold here, something of course much more bullish, it can be 1, 2 again, and then of course pushing for higher later on after an aggressive fast wave 2, and then we push for a wave 3. But too early to call this. But currently this move from Bitcoin, we see of course a very nice price action here, very nice pump, and it might be of course the case here that you have 1, 2. You have already another impulse here, so it can be of course the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 1, 2. It can be a wave 3 unfolding really massively toward the upside. So we gotta be careful with it. So it's all impulses here, right? So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. It can be also the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But basically, if we take the fib level here for a wave 5, let me check. Wave 5 as a diagonal should not. Yeah, we're very, very close. This is what I thought. We're very close to the key level here, which is, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level. Once we reach the 1-to-1, that means, of course, the wave 5 is now longer than the wave 3, which is not allowed in diagonal, giving, of course, higher possibility we are in a wave 3 there. So, yes, guys, we're looking at double 1, 2 here, very likely. We just took the key level. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 here. We're gonna break the area. Yeah, so this is already a signal that we're gonna break the red area, and we're gonna continue the push toward the upside here. So this is exactly what I'm looking for as a 1, 2, 1, 2, starting from this low exactly. So basically, yeah, it can be even here very likely a finished W, X, and a wave Y. Well, very extended. It's hard to say very extended, and especially of course that this diagonal is not working anymore. So for me, I believe that this has to be of course a diagonal, a 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5. Finish there, wave B or wave 2, and then we push for higher. So I'm gonna label this because it's the highest possibility right now. After A, B, and a C here, I'm gonna put it in yellow, or yes, in yellow. So this is exactly what I'm looking for, guys. Okay, so higher prices, of course, for Bitcoin there to unfold. Yep, very interesting. Very interesting. So this is only the wave 3 that it might hit between the 95K and the 96K here for Bitcoin. If we take a look also at the KGT for more insights. So on the KGT 3-minute chart here, we are looking at our divergence as a bullish signal, of course, and it is playing right now. Of course, we see something bearish appearing right now, but of course, it's still too early to call it. Let me check, of course, the lower time frame. While we have invalidation, okay, we took the high here. So we have invalidation, bullish is playing. So yeah, much more likely that this is, of course, something bullish there. And we're looking, of course, for 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 here. Very likely to unfold for Bitcoin. Yep, so these are the updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.